In January, everybody got their fairy tale ending that they wanted. Kid Karumba became the SoCal Pro Champion in the upset of all upsets. It was the Disney fairy tale ending. And for the last 3 months, Kid Karumba, you've been enjoying that fairy tale every single day. Every minute you spend with your family, every time you go to the gym, you've got my SoCal Pro Heavyweight Championship. But this Saturday, it's not going to be the Disney version of the fairy tale. Because things are going to get grim, just like your future. Because this Saturday, we will bring out tables, we will bring out ladders, and we will bring out chairs. And you are going to get Tommy Wilson in beast mode. The best in the world today is going to annihilate you. You better polish that belt up, because it better look shiny when I pull it down from the sky and put it back around my waist where it belongs. Kid Karumba, this Saturday, Cinderella, she ain't going to the dance. Because at the end of the day, the best always win. You're just an underdog. You got lucky once. It won't happen twice.